Hello guys, welcome back with the second Sudoku. In this additional of today's newspaper on a Wednesday, yes, it's Wednesday, June the 16th, 2021. The second Sudoku is a four-star Sudoku. We have three puzzles left. Sudoku with 4 stars, then we have a tectonic and a binary puzzle. But first, I will solve this baby. And this one will be a number 2957. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. It's a kind of indication of the difficulty level. This one has 24 printed digits. The less printed digits, the more it will be difficult. 24, but you cannot always say a 24 printed digits puzzle is much difficult than a puzzle with 25 printed digits. It could be happen that in that puzzle a lot of pairs has a lot of pairs, so no, you cannot say always it's much more difficult than the one with less printed digits. But it's a kind of indication, all right? So let's get started. The third column, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers. Two of those missing numbers are the 5 and the 8. We have a 5 and 8 in this big square, so no 5 and 8 in these 3 boxes. The 5 and 8 goes in those 2 boxes in this column. We see here an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be here and a 5 goes there. Okay, then 2, 4, 7, 2, 4, 7. All right. 7 in this row, 7 in the row below. So in the last row, the only 2 places for the 7 should be here or there. We see there 7, no 7 there, 7 should be there. Then, let me see. An 8 in the last row, an 8 in the row above. So in that row, the only place for the 8 should be there. The 1 in this row, the 1 in the middle row, so in the row above, the only place for the 1 should be there. 7, 4, 2, 5, 5. All right. Hmm. 3, 3, 7, 8, 1. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 3. We see there 3, no 3 in these 3 boxes. We have a 3 over there, so no 3 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 3 should be there. 3 in this row, 3 in the last row. So in the row between, the only place for the 3 should be there. We have a pair, I believe. Let me see. 1 and a 3 in this column, 1 and a 3 in the second column. So in the first column, the 1 and the 3 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. All right. 6, 6, 6. 6 and a 9, yes. 5 missing numbers now in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 9 and the 6. We have a 9 and a 6 in this column. So no 9 and a 6 in these 3 boxes. The 9 and the 6 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. All right. All right. 6, 6. So one of the missing number in this big square, we have 3 missing numbers, is a 6. We see a 6 in one of those 2 boxes in the second column, so no 6 in that box. Here, 6 in the last row, so no 6 in that box. So 1 box left for the 6 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 2 and 9. We see here 9, no 9 there, 9 should be here, and the 2 goes there. All right. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers 2. We see there 2, no 2 in these 2 boxes. There 2, no 2 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 2. Should be there. 1 box left in the first column for the number 8. 8 is missing. All right. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 5 and 4. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Cannot fill this yet. Need to wait. How about those 2 numbers in this row? Also the 4 and the 5. Alright. These 2 boxes in this big square should be the numbers 1 and the 2. We see here 1, no 1 there. 1 should be here and the 2 goes there. 2 numbers left in this row. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The 6 and the 9. 6 and the 9, we see here 9, no 9 there, 9 should be here, and the 6 goes there. Alright, 1, 2 is missing, yes, 2 in this column, 2 in the column next. So in the last column, the only place for the 2 should be there. 2 numbers less. 2 numbers left in this big square. The 4 and the 5 are missing. We see here 5, no 5 there. 5 should be here and the 4 goes there. Alright. 5 in this column. 5 in the column next. So in the last column, the only 2 places for the 5 should be here or there. We see there 5, no 5 there. 5 should be there. Now I cannot continue with the 5. How about the 1 in this column? 1 in the column next, so in the last column, the only place for the 1 should be there. Let me see, 8 and a 6. In this big square, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers. 2 of those missing numbers are the 8 and the 6. We have an 8 and a 6 in this column. So no 8 and a 6 in these 3 boxes. We have the 8 and the 6 in those 2 in this row. So no 8 and a 6 in these 2 boxes. So the 8 and the 6 goes in those 2 boxes, 8 and a 6. We see here 6, no 6 there. 6 should be here and the 8 goes there. 2 numbers left in this column for the numbers 9 and 6. 9 and 6. We see here 6, no 6 there. 6 should be here and the 9 goes there. Alright. So we have a 9 in this row, 9 in the middle row, so in the row below. The only 2 places for the 9 should be here or there. We see here 9, no 9 there. 9 should be there. 3, 4, 7, 3, 4. Alright, now we have a 6 here. So this box can't be 6 anymore. That box should be a 6. And this box should be a 9. 9 in this row, 9 in the second row. So in the third row, the only 3 places for the 9 should be here, or there. We see there 9, no 9 there. Here 9, no 9 there. The only place for the 9 should be there. Alright. 3 in this column, 3 in the middle column, so the column next. The only 2 places for the 3 should be here or there. We see there 3, no 3 there. 3 should be there. 3 in this row, 3 in that row. So in the row between the middle row, the only place for the 3 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 4 and 7. We see there 7, no 7 there. 7 should be here and the 4 goes there. Alright. 2 numbers left in this row for the numbers 2 and 8. We have an 8 there, no 8 there. 8 should be here and the 2 goes there. All right. So now 4, 5, and 7. Okay. 3, 4. How about let me see. No. 5, 5. About the 8. 8. Yes, we have a pair. Okay. We in this big square, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 missing numbers. Two of those missing numbers are the 2 and the 8. We have a 2 and an 8 in this row. So no 2 and 8 in these 3 boxes. We have a 2 and an 8 in this column. So no 2 and an 8 in those 2 boxes. Here also a 2 and an 8 in the middle column. So no 2 and an 8 in those 2 boxes. So 2 boxes left for the 2 and 8. We have a pair, 2 and 8. All right. So 4 and 5. Let me see. 4, 5, 7. I'm missing the 7. Okay. 2, 7, 4. 2, 7, 4. All right. 4, 8, and 3. Need a 3 here. 3. Yeah. 2, 4, 5. 4, 5. I see 7. Yeah. 4, 5, 7. 4, 5, 7. 4, 7. The 1 in this column, the 1 in that column, so the column between the middle column. The only 2 places for the 1 should be here or there. We see there 1, no 1 there, 1 should be there. Now we have a 1 here, so this box can't be 1 anymore. That box should be a 1, and this box should be a 3. 3 in this first row, 3 in the second row, so in the third row, the only place for the 3 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square. For the numbers 4 and 8, we see here there an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 4 goes there. Then 2 numbers left in this column. Here we have a 2 and an 8. So those 2 boxes should be the 4 and the 5. 4 and 5. You see here 4, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 5 goes there. Now we have a 4 here. So this box can't be 4 anymore. That box should be a 4, and this box should be a 5. Then 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 7 and 5. Let me mark those 2 boxes, 7 and 5. Yeah. 2 numbers left in this first row for the numbers 7 and 6. We see here 6, no 6 there, 6 should be here. And the 7 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 2 and 4. Well, I cannot fill this yet, 2 and 4. Let me mark those 2 boxes. How about those 2 boxes? Here we have a first pair, the 2 and the 8. Those numbers are the 4 and the 7 are missing. We see here 7, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 4 goes there. Now we have a 7 there, so this box can be 7 anymore. That box should be a 7, and this box should be a 5. Now we have a 5 there, so this box can be 5 anymore. That box should be a 5, and this box should be a 4. Now we have a 4 there, so this box can't be 4 anymore. That box should be a 4, and this box should be a 2. And the final 2 numbers, the 2 and 8. We see here 2, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 8 goes there. Finish in 14 minutes. All right, great Sudoku. Is this really a 4 stars? No, because for a 4 stars puzzle, I need 30 minutes or more to solve. And this one I have solved in 40 minutes. So a 1 star I will give this, because for 1 star I need to be faster than 15 minutes, and I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and don't forget, only if you like, only if you want, to subscribe and hit the bell button, guys, to be notified by YouTube when I upload new Sudokus to my channel. You can also find in my channel a lot of playlists for the 4 stars, playlists for the 3 stars, for the 2 stars, for the 1 star, for the letter Sudoku, for the tectonic, for the binary, for the heavy and light Sudokus, for the killer Sudokus, all kind of Sudokus or puzzles. I have a playlist therefore, so go to my channel, subscribe, and you find them all. Yes, thank you again for watching, and I will see you later with the other 2 puzzles, a binary one and a tectonic one. See you then, bye bye for now.